Mini Serial Attached SCSI Mini SAS Board Mount Connectors 3M. Welcome to this training module on 3M's Mini Serial Attached SCSI Mini SAS Board Mount Connectors. This training module reviews features of the 3M Mini SAS Board Mount Connector and introduces the connector and explains its benefits. New equipment designs requiring high-speed electronic communications can be supported with 3M's Mini Serial Attached Small Computer System Interface, or SCSI connectors, known as Mini SAS. It supports full duplex data transmission rates in aggregate of 6 gigabits per second, doubling the throughput of first-generation SAS connectors. This makes Mini SAS ideal for newer server and network storage applications. 3M Mini SAS products are based on the Small Form Factor Committee 8086, 8087, and 8088 standards. These standards exist to support the aggregation and interoperability of cabling of SAS signals into the high-speed, 4-lane architecture, 4 independent SAS data streams in one connector, providing both internal and external configurations. Mini SAS interconnect systems ensure signal integrity, protecting against data loss. It also significantly reduces the connector size for storage systems currently using SAS 4-lane. Internal connectors use 36 contacts, while external connectors use 26 contacts. The 0.8 millimeter pitch of the board mount connectors provide increased I/O density with greater channel capabilities, yet requires less space on printed circuit boards. The receptacle connectors are designed for surface mount board processing. The solder tails of the internal EMI RFI shield cages, however, are offered in a choice of straight pins for plated through holes or kinked pins for greater retention during wave soldering of plated through hole boards, or gull wing design tails for surface mount technology board processing. In the Mini SAS architecture, the receptacle is mounted on the printed circuit board. The mating plug connector is located on the cable assembly. The Mini SAS system provides board designers with a variety of options. The connectors are offered in vertical and right-angle versions for internal board mount uses and a right-angle design for external board mount uses. 3 different tail lengths are offered on the EMI RFI shields: straight or kinked tails for through-hole boards and gull wing for surface mount boards, as shown here. Connectors are plated with 30-micron gold at the termination area, providing more reliable high mating cycles. These connectors are RoHS compliant. The Mini SAS uses differential signaling to enable high-speed data transmission. In the board mount connector, the bottom row of contacts is identified as the A row, with the top row referred to as the B row. Each A pair and B pair has a defined signal or ground function. As shown here, the differential signal pairs A2, B2 and A3, B3 are flanked by ground pairs A1, B1 and A4, B4. The pin assignment in the surface mount vertical connector is the same as the right-angle version. As shown here, the differential signal pairs A2, B2 and A3, B3 are flanked by ground pairs A1, B1 and A4, B4. Internal shield cages for EMI RFI protection are offered with a choice of solder tails, straight or kink tails for through-hole boards, and gull wing for surface mount boards. 3M offers 3 tail length options: 2.79 mm, 3.18 mm, and 3.56 mm. In this example, shows the 36 position Mini SAS internal right angle metal shell with straight solder tails designed for through-hole circuit boards. The vertical connector comes with pre-positioning housing for easier termination on the circuit board. As with the right angle version, solder tails can be straight or kinked or surface mount. 3M offers 3 tail length options. In this example, it shows the 36 position Mini SAS internal vertical metal shell with standard through-hole solder tails. "3M offers a time-saving Mini SAS combo design connector. The 36 position receptacle comes pre-assembled with the metal shell in place, ready to use. Solder tails can be through-hole or kinked or surface mount, and 3M offers 3 tail length options. In summary, 3M Mini SAS products conform to the SFF 8086, 8087, and 8088 standards. The 3M brand Mini SAS system provides board designers with a variety of options. The 36 position receptacle connectors are offered in vertical and right angle versions for internal board mount uses, and a 26 position right angle design for external board mount uses. 3 different solder tail lengths are offered on the EMI shields: straight or kink tails for through-hole boards and gull wing for surface mount boards. 3M connectors are plated with 30 microns of gold at the termination area, providing more reliability for high mating cycles. These Mini SAS connectors are RoHS compliant, designed and manufactured to exacting standards. The 3M Mini SAS connector offers high performance, reliability, and consistency in quality.